Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If it's time to update your bedding, there is really, in my opinion, nothing better than 100% cotton, and that's what you're going to get out of this gorgeous blanket from TreeWool. This 100% cotton blanket is finely woven and it has beautiful edging around the sides. I opted for the light gray color and it really is a true gray, and I find that this blanket is just so cozy and warm. What I really love about it is that it is a year round, and that's something that you really always get from cotton blankets. So this blanket feels cooling in the fall, but not too cool. It keeps you nice and warm, and it also feels nice and cool in the summer as well. I'm impressed with this king size because although I wanted this for my queen size bed, you really get a generous amount even on the king. Sometimes I find king blankets are a little bit short, but not with this one. It is really generous, and it also looks really pretty as just a nice throw at the end of your bed in case you want that extra blanket nearby. It's nice to be able to find a blanket that says 100% cotton and it really feels it. You can definitely feel it with the soft texture of this blanket, and it also washes and dries really well as well. The blanket is nice and cozy and soft, really perfect for any time of the year, and you're going to love having this on your bed. It is so pretty as well, but that's my point of view.